QuietCool is proud to announce its latest top-of-the-line solar fan created to revolutionize ventilation in small spaces. The QuietCool solar utility fan is designed for a variety of uses, including portable restrooms, small storage sheds, small agricultural applications, and more. This fan is fully self-contained, water-resistant, and powered by a 2.5 watt solar panel, with no wiring required. The QuietCool solar utility fan is a perfect accessory for backyard sheds due to the fact that it requires no maintenance and will actively ventilate and exhaust the inside of the shed anytime there is sunlight. At 33 CFM, this fan does a complete air exchange every 7 minutes, or almost 9 full air exchanges per hour for a standard 6x5 shed. This will help keep your valuable items in your shed cooler and help ventilate and exhaust the hot, stale air that stays stagnant inside a typical shed. The solar utility fan is very simple to install with the included locking ring, only needing a hole saw kit and sealant. Upgrade your backyard shed by providing active ventilation with a QuietCool solar utility fan.